Meet Eagle, the majestic eagle who rules the skies with grace and precision. And meet Lion, the fearless lion who roams the savannah with power and strength. But one day, a fierce storm destroyed Eagle's home, leaving him without a place to rest. Lion, seeing his friend in need, offered to help rebuild the nest, showing the true meaning of friendship. Together, they worked tirelessly, using their unique skills to create a new home, stronger than before. Eagle taught Lion how to soar through the skies, and Shere Khan learned to spread his wings and fly. And Lion taught Eagle how to roar like a lion, and Eagle's loud roar echoed across the land. From that day on, Eagle and Lion were the best of friends, a symbol of unity and strength in the animal kingdom.